Yeah.
Good morning. We're going to get started here in a minute. Just waiting for other people to kind of jump in here. So give me a couple minutes and we'll get started. All right, perfect. Let's get started. Seven's in the chat if you can hear me. Seven's in the chat if you can hear me. Let's go. All right, perfect. Give me 1 second here. All right. All right. All right, so what we're looking at right now is obviously, as you can see, I have the EMAs, I have the 20, I have the 50. So again, what this simply does is it just confirms that I'm taking buys, okay? Obviously, we're looking on the 5 minute. We can go to the 15. We can see what the 15 is doing. We're above the EMAs. On the hour, we're above the EMAs, okay? So again, obviously, we got confirmation that we're obviously taking buys, okay? So as you can see here, we started off strong. We had a lot of momentum. And as you can see here, we've lost kind of some momentum here. My entry here is obviously just that next zone. Again, just keeping it very simple, guys. Like my next entry is that 32,550. 32,550 is my next entry. Okay. MetaTrader 4. Okay. So literally make sure you're on US 30. I know when my MetaTrader 4 comes up, it comes up AUD USD. and I've actually taken some trades with that before. So again, we're going to do a buy stop, and literally we're right there right now. Okay, we're going to let her pull back a little bit. So 32,550, 32,553. Okay, we'll see if she lets me get in. Again, I don't rush. I just take my time here. 32,550, 32,553. 32,550 and 32,553. Okay, so obviously all we're doing is simply just playing this wick. We're playing this wick that it's going to bounce over. We're in those trades right now. Those trades are live. All we need is 3 points, and we're going to close those trades. Boom. 3 points, and we're going to close those trades. Let's go, bag me. Let's go. It's bouncing. It's bouncing on the line. Let's go. Big push up. 3 points. Boom. There we go. Bagged. I must not have set it. Boom. All right. Perfect. So actually, as you could see, she literally gave us 11 points right there. Okay. 11 points. Okay. And that's honestly, that's literally how we play this game, guys, is we literally just go from zone to zone. Okay, our next zone, 32,600, 32,600, 32,600, unless she pulls back. But again, I'm going to set up a buy stop for 32,600, 32,603. And I'm going to set up 3 of those, 32,600, 32,603, 32,600, 32,603. Okay. So then also what I'm going to do is I'm going to play that again, and I'm just going to be patient here. If she pulls down into this zone, okay, because again, a correction is a correction. So again, if she pulls into half of this candle here into these wicks, I would say someplace around here. And again, keep in mind she works in zones. So again, obviously we have these bank zones marked up, but she's inside this zone. She's inside this zone. She's inside this zone. Okay. Again, that's how we're able to catch the wicks, is because again, she doesn't just stop at this zone. She wicks over, and that's what we're writing, is that we're writing that wick to jump over. Okay. So again, we also just want to be careful that again, don't get caught in a pullback, because there's going to be a pullback. She has to breathe at some point. She has to pull back at some point. Okay. So again, 32,600. We have 2 minutes, 40 seconds left on this candle. Okay. This vertical line here just shows me where opening bell was at 8:30 our time. So again, you can see from opening bell, all she's done is rose. Okay. Let's go on the 15. We have 8 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Okay. Let's go out further and see kind of what's in front of us here. So this is where I honestly, I estimate her kind of going to be honest with you. Like I estimate her going up here. Okay, because obviously there's nothing in front. She's obviously correcting this here. Okay, she's correcting this. She could potentially come all the way up here. If she comes up here, this would be an area that I would look for her to break in order to continue to the upside. Okay, again, if she's going to correct this whole thing, this would be a zone. This would be a break of structure. Okay, that if she breaks this structure here, then we're most likely going to continue to climb. Okay. But at the end of the day, we're not worried about that right now. I'm just looking at potentially what positions I could possibly get. 32,600. I believe that we'll get that position. Again, I believe that she's obviously correcting this move here. Also, the buyers are in control. Okay. So again, I feel like we can get here and possibly up here, and then possibly up here, see a reversal. All right, so let's go down to the 5. As you can see, the bodies are getting smaller. Okay, the volume's getting smaller. So again, 32,550, 32,550 for a buy stop if she pulls back a little bit more. If she pulls back to that red line, I'd like to get in. 32,550. Come back down a little bit more. Is she going to break and close above? We got 21 seconds left. Is she going to break and close above? We got 10 seconds left. Okay. Here we go. I'm about to do a buy stop, 32,550, 32,553, 32,550, 32,553, 32,550, 32,553. Okay, so again, like I said, she's going to pull back. She's going to breathe a little bit. Okay, she obviously is inside this zone. Okay, she's inside this zone right now. She came here, hit this zone here, wicked above, came all the way up here, gave us 11 points, and then she closed below, okay, which obviously tells us she's not ready to move to that next level. All right. So again, I have her set up here at 32,550, 32,550. I have 3 pending right here. Okay. So again, she's going to pull back, get some momentum, and come moving up. So we just have to be patient. Okay. We just have to be patient. Here we got 3 pending at 32,550, 32,550. We have 3 pending. We got this long wick to the bottom, which tells me that buyers are in control. Buyers are in control on this candle. Okay, sellers tried to move this candle, but the buyers came in and said nope, and we just closed 3 trades, 6-0, 6-0. Okay, we're looking for a break and close above this 32,550. Break and close above 32,550. We're moving to this next little zone. Okay. We got a minute 45 on this candle. We have a minute 45 on this candle. Let's just be patient. If she pulls back into this red area here, okay, if she pulls back into this red area here, I will set up again at 32,550. Okay, we got 31 seconds left on this candle. Okay, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to take a market execution. I'm going to take a market execution to catch this impulse in 10 seconds. Market execution in 10 seconds if she closes above 32,550. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just took that trade. Boom, closed it. That's how you ride an impulse, guys. Literally, we took that impulse. We took that impulse move. That's it. In and out. $32,600. We took that impulse move. That was awesome. $32,600. We do have three pending trades there at $32,600. 3 pending trades there. Who took that impulse move? Who took that impulse move? Who took that impulse move on that open of that candle? That was awesome. Awesome. Yeah, it was quick. She jumped. That was a nice bag. 32,600. 32,600 is our next point. $32,600. Okay, we're just gonna be patient here. All right, 32,600. 32,600 is our next move. We got a minute left on this candle. Let's see what kind of movement we get in this last minute. Usually the candle likes to move in the last minute. 32,600, 32,600 is our next point, our next spot. Okay, we're obviously in between this zone. Nothing's happening in between this zone. Okay, so again, we're just waiting for a move. We're waiting for a move. Okay, 32,600 is our next move. As you can see, look at the size of these candles. There's not a whole lot of volume, guys. There's not a whole lot of movement. Obviously, again, you know, if you watch anything about the Dow Jones and, you know, stocks just dropping and, you know, interest rates rising. So again, there's just a lot of stuff going on right now. And again, there's just not a lot of volume. There's just not a lot of you know, buyer seller action. Again, look at the size of these candles. Okay. You know, obviously we had an impulse here at the open, but again, just small movements, just small volume. Okay. Not a whole lot of volume on these candles. And again, it's been like that, you know, just obviously the state of the market. Okay, 32,600. We're 7-0 right now. 32,600 will put us at 10-0. And again, I'll just look for one more setup at that point. Look for her to pull back, and then 32,600 again will be our kind of our last move. So 32,600, if we can get an impulse to the upside, pushing from these buyers on this wick. Okay, here we go. Get ready. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, let's get an impulse move. Let's fly through this zone. Let's not play around. All right, we're in. We're in. Let's fly through this zone. Give me 3 points. Boom. Here we go. Bag me. Let's go. That's it, guys. That's as simple as it gets. We are 10-0. We are 10-0. We are 10-0. Okay, 10-0. Check this out. If she pulls back, I'm going to go a little bit further. If she comes down into this candle here to breathe, I'm going to set up 32,600 again. Okay, anything between the top of this candle and this zone here. Okay, I'm going to set up 32,600 again. Buy stop, 32,600. Okay, pull back, and we want a slingshot. Pull back. We're looking for just a small pullback into this zone here. Okay, this is literally the pullback zone that I want her to come into. Okay, if she comes into this zone, we're going to set up 32,600 for a slingshot. Okay, 30. She comes down into the zone. I'm setting up. Here we go. 32,600, 32,603, 32,600, 32,603. Shoot, am I going to get in? Let's see. I'm in 2 trades right now. Big push up. Close those 2 trades. That's it. So we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've taken 12 trades this morning. Okay, like I said, if she pulls back into this candle, into this wick here, we can set her back up for 32,600. 32,600, set her back up. Again, she's slamming back there. You just got to be quick, guys. Okay, 32,600, I'm there again. 32,600, 32,603, 32,600, I'm there again. 32,603, big push up, and we're done. Let's go. Big push up. Let's go. Fly through that zone. Fly through that zone, and we're done. $32,600. $32,600, guys. 32,600. Again, she's pulling back, getting momentum. She's going to slam through right now. 32,600. Here she goes. She's slamming through. She's about to slam through and bag us. 32,600. Okay, and like I said, when we look at a higher time frame, okay, this could be possible reversal here. Okay, because again, look, she filled, she corrected all of this move here. Okay, like I told you before, she'll definitely give us this 32,600. She could potentially get up here, but we also have to start looking at where the sellers are going to come in and take over. Okay, again, if she breaks this 32,700 area, breaks and closes, then at that point we will be looking to the upside. But as of right now, we're kind of in a reversal area. Okay, we literally just need to get these 3 points and we're done with this session. Okay, so 32,600, 32,600. We just need her to fly through, wick past this zone, and we're good. Literally 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, and we're done. Okay, let's see what happens in the next minute 20. Minute 20, let's go. Big push up. Big push up. Let's go. Get this session done. Okay, let's go. We got a minute left on this candle. We need big movement on this last minute. We got 48 seconds left. 32,600. Okay, we're about 25 points from that mark right now. 32,600. We got 34 seconds left. Let's go. Big push up. 20 seconds left on this candle. Okay, obviously what this is going to tell us here is that she's going to consolidate in between here. Okay, let's see what this next candle is. Does this next candle give us the momentum to get us out of this session here? Okay, all we need is 3. All we need is 3 points. 32,600. We're 15 points away from that. We're 15 points away from that target, 32,600. That's our next move. I got 3 pending there. 3 pending there. Here we come. 586, 590, 10 points away. Let's go. Big push up. Big push up. Let's go. $32,600. Okay, she has not broken and closed above this area. Okay. Like I said before, if we look at the 4-hour, we can see the correction that she's made. She's coming into all of this here. Is she going to break through, break this structure here and continue to the upside? Or are we going to receive a reversal in this area here to the downside? Okay. So again, if you look at this correction, she's made this correction. We are right here. She's made this correction. Okay, we need 3 points. She's about to give us that 3 points right now. She's at 35.80, 81. We need 3 points. We just need a wick. Okay, but again, it really doesn't matter what she does, but at the end of the day, those are kind of the questions that we ask. Is she going to come up into this zone here, break of structure, okay? Will she break this structure here, or will she start moving back down and change direction? Okay. This is a big zone here, because obviously, as you can see here to the left here, we had a floor. Okay, this was a reversal, broke through here, came here, reversal. Now, again, she has to make a decision. Is she going to break this structure and continue up? Because if she continues up, she's then going to feel the rest of this here. Okay. If she doesn't, then she'll continue to fall. So again, we're just being patient. We don't have anything open right now. We just have 3 pending at 32,600, and we're about 40 points off of that point right now. So we're just being patient. Okay, so again, as you can see here, we got a minute left on this candle. She's consolidating in between this 50 points. She's consolidating in between this 50 points. Okay, these last 2 5-minute candles here, she's consolidating. She has not broken this level here. Is she, in the next 40 seconds, is she going to break this level and continue down to the downside? Okay, or are we going to consolidate here and then continue our move to the top? Okay, and as you can see, we have sellers and buyers. Okay, the body tells us consistency. Okay, no one really has major control right now. Okay, obviously the sellers had momentum on that last candle. Okay, the sellers had momentum on that last candle, but again, look at this candle here. There's really no one who has momentum. Okay. And again, sometimes this takes longer than other times, guys. We just have to be patient. Okay. So again, look at this candle. Let's look at this candle. We have similar wick to the top side, similar wick to the bottom side. And again, you know, we have this undecisiveness. Okay. 32,587. We're flying now. Here we go. Get ready. 32,600. 32,600. We have 3. Let's go. Bag us. 32,591. Here we go. Let's go. Love, nice movement on this candle. Great momentum. We got good speed. Let's go. Breakthrough. Let's go. Here we go. We're about to get in this trade. Let's go. And if you're in this trade already, guys, just go in and change, modify it 3 points ahead and get out. Again, that's what I do is if it's off a little bit, I literally just go in. Once I'm in, I modify 3 points, boom, I'm out. Okay. So again, you know, obviously they don't match up correctly. 597, 96. Let's go. Let's go. Push through. Big push up. Let's go. Right now. Big push up. Slam through. Let's go. Let's go. 97. Telling you, this may be a reversal, guys. Again, she's tapping this zone. Let's go. Big push up. We just need 3 points and we're done. 92. 94, 95, boom, 99, we're in. We're in. Pull back. Push up, let's go. Big push through. 96. Let's go, US 30. Big push through, let's go. Let's go, big push up. Big push up, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We just gotta be patient, guys. Here we go. Let's go. We need 3 points. Come on. Get us in. We need 3 points. Let's go. Big push up. Big push up. Big push up. Here we go. Let's go. Big push up. We got a minute left on this candle. We should be able to get movement on this last minute. These buyers are going to come in on this last minute, move this candle. Let's go. Let's go, buyers. Let's go. Big push up. We got 50 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Get ready. We're about to get bagged. We're about to get bagged. Let's go. Big push up. Let's go. 32,600 buy stop. 32,600 buy stop. 32,603 is our point. 32,603 is our TP. Let's go. Big push up. 32,603. Here we go. Let's go. 32,603. Let's go. Bag me. Let's go. Big push up. Let's go. Here we go. 601, 602. Bag me. Let's go. There you go. You 7 points, guys. You guys should be out of that trade. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 and 0. 15 and 0 on this session. Okay, and again, it's obviously mixed with last night's session. Okay, last night we were taking sells. So you'll be able to kind of see this. Okay, see last night we were taking sells. This morning, buys. Okay, all blues. So again, this is where we're at on the day. 51.39. So that's between last night and this morning session. Again, great session, 15 and 0, guys. Again, tell me, how did everybody do? How did everybody do? Oh, finish the week out strong. That's what I'm talking about. Bag me, exactly. Where are we at? Where are we at? How did everybody do? Give me some results. 16 and 1. Nice. 3 and 0. Good job, Jasmine. Good job, James. Nice. Hell yeah. 4 and 0, 14 and 3, 3 and 0. Nice. 10 and 0. Yes, sir. Good stuff. Thank you, Jasmine. You too. Have a blessed day. Great session, guys. Like I said, we simply just, we obviously had to wait a little bit. Obviously, she's not moving as fast. We did get some movement, but at the end of the day, her not moving as fast as she usually does, it gives us time to definitely set up. We did not rush anything. We simply just looked at what that next zone was, and we literally took some pullbacks. We got in on that next zone, and we just let her come into our next zone. And again, like I said, guys, I'm literally taking 3 points, high leverage, 3 points. So again, 15 trades, okay, 15 trades. Literally 45 points, guys. I'm telling you, it doesn't take much. It does not take much to obviously get the bags. I moved 45 points this morning. That's it. So again, if you can make a goal of 50 to 100 points, again, like you'll definitely do amazing, especially if you're high leveraged. Okay, obviously 0.01. It's going to take some time to obviously build that account, but again, just keep doing it over and over and over. And again, this was just literally. This was a 40-minute session. So again, if you have another 40-minute session, do another 10, 12 trades. Okay, break it up. So again, guys, great session. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And let's go. I will definitely. So yesterday's trading session is on YouTube. I will definitely load this one up. Obviously, with just everything going on, it's been kind of a tough week. Definitely, like I said yesterday, make sure you're hugging your loved ones. Make sure your children are very close to you, during these times. We're just reminded how precious life is. But again, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And I hope that you guys have a good rest of the day. We will not be on tomorrow. All right. Enjoy your Memorial weekend. Have some amazing food. Enjoy your family, friends. And we will be back on Tuesday. Okay. There will not be a session on Monday. Obviously, the market's going to be closed. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.